Hi there children, so this is the part of the lesson where I'd like you to take out your piece of paper and your pencil or two pencils. I've got two pencils here. So what I'd like to do with your paper is simply fold it nice and neatly in half first of all. Fold it, get a nice neat fold and just open it back up. Now, are we happy that we have one half here and another half here? So, I hope we are. So, I'm going to just put some lines, some cross-hatch shading. You might want to shade your whole piece of paper in, but I think that's a bit extreme, over on that side of my piece of paper. So it's slightly purpley. Hopefully you can see that. And that is a half. That's my half. Now, what I'd like you to do now is hold out the paper, fold it in half. Now I'd like you to take that and fold it in half again. So you should end up with a piece of paper roughly like this. And then fold your piece of paper in half again. So you've got a smaller piece. Now, can you open up your piece of paper? Okay. So, on your piece of paper, you still have your half on this side. Now, our whole piece of paper has now been split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. So we have 8. Now, I'd like you to shade in on this side 4 of those 8s. So I'm going to just do that cross hatching. Hopefully this will show up a little bit better in this light. Ideally I'd be doing this in daylight in a really lovely bright room. Sadly it's the evening. So hopefully you can see that I've shaded this side in green. Now this side is 4/8 of my piece of paper. 4/8. So, can you see that actually a half is equivalent to, it's exactly the same as 4/8? I hope that's clear to you on your piece of paper now. We've got that whole half, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of our 8. So a half is equivalent to 4/8. You can also use this method to find other equivalent fractions. And if you've got another piece of paper and you'd like to find some other equivalent fractions, certainly do that. Keep on folding that paper, keep on seeing how many different equivalent fractions you can find. Okay, move on to the next part of the lesson.